Fluffy and sweet morsels of bread, perfect if stuffed with ham and cheese, chocolate spread, jam. Today we prepare together milk bread buns. I'm getting really hungry. Let's start by pouring the flour in the bowl. Plain flour and Manitoba, both already sifted. I'll add fresh yeast and sugar. I'll pour the milk at room temperature, and I start mixing it with a pastry scraper. Once the first ingredients are mixed, I can add the liquid butter that is back to room temperature. Finally, salt. I make sure they are absorbed by the dough, which I then transfer to the work surface. I knead it until the dough is smooth and elastic. If it sticks too much to the worktop, just let it rest covered for a couple of minutes. My dough is nice and smooth, and I'll shape it into a ball. I'll slightly grease with the softened butter at the bottom of the bowl, place the dough in it, cover it with cling film, and let it rise in the turned-off oven with the light on for at least 2 hours. Here's the dough leavened, cling film off. As you can see, it has doubled its volume. Now straight on the pastry board. I shape it into a nice loaf. I split it in two. I cover the dough with a cloth so it won't dry out. Get my buns that will have to weigh about 30 grams each. Then I will shape them. There are several ways to close it, taking all the corners, bringing them to the center. And then, with the palm of our hand, we round our bullet. A few pinches on the bottom. And here it is. I place it on the baking tray lined with baking paper. Let's move on. Now, another way to close the little balls, even easier, is to bring all sides to the center until you shave the usual ball that I will anyway pinch. I keep them evenly spaced out, and I go and brush them with an egg diluted with some milk. After that, I will let them rise for another 30 minutes. Here are my buns. I'm ready to bake them in static mode at 200 degrees for 12–13 minutes. Once cooked and well browned on the surface, I will transfer them on a grill pan to let them cool down completely. Look how cute my buns are. Click on the link down below for the photo recipe on GialloZafferano. Well, we'll find ingredients, doses, step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Milk bread buns. Bye, YouTubers!